Listen, after nearly 2 decades in the field and a few years working on nuclear electrical systems in the Navy, I've seen enough equipment to know that the name on the cabinet rarely tells the whole story. Most homeowners think they're buying a brand, but you're actually buying a specific set of engineering choices. Today, we're looking at 2 very different ways to approach heating and cooling your home. You've got the Ducane 7HP14F and the Payne PH5SAN5. One of these units is built like a fortress to protect your investment, and the other relies on a big name pedigree to get in the door. If you don't know the difference between a wire guard and a louvered panel, you're one bad hailstorm away from a very expensive repair bill. I've spent 17 years lugging tool bags across rooftops and crawl spaces, and I can tell you that build quality is where the rubber meets the road. When we look at the Ducane 7HP14F, it uses the Omniguard louvered steel panel. That is a solid wall of protection for your outdoor coil. Compare that to the Payne PH5SAN5, which uses a basic wire guard. In my experience, those wire guards are basically open invitations for weed whackers and hail to flatten your fins and choke your system's efficiency. Both of these are standard tier workhorses when it comes to efficiency. The Ducane comes in with an HSPF 2 of 7.5, and the Payne is slightly ahead at 8.1 HSPF 2. In the real world, that means the Payne might save you a few bucks more during a mild winter, but both will work hard when the temperature drops. Since these are single stage systems, they operate a bit like a light switch. It's either full blast or nothing. You'll notice those temperature swings, especially on bone chilling winter nights. Now, let's talk about what's actually under the hood. Payne is a subsidiary of Carrier, so when you buy a Payne, you're getting many of the same internal parts found in systems that cost twice as much. Ducane is part of the Allied Air family, the value arm of Lennox, built in the USA and offering heavy-duty engineering without the premium markup. Here is the kicker, the price. For equipment alone, you're looking at an average of $5,505 for the Ducane and about $5,400 for the Payne. Once you get a pro to install it, the Ducane averages about $8,100 and the Payne lands around $8,075. You're paying nearly the exact same price for both, but you have to decide if you want the extra coil protection or that slightly higher efficiency rating. Before you make a choice, remember that even a nuclear grade install won't save a system if you ignore maintenance. I've seen brand new units die in 3 years because the owner never cleaned the coil or changed a filter. On the protection front, both brands offer a standard 10-year parts and compressor warranty. Keep in mind, neither model offers a full unit replacement. If the compressor fails, they swap the part, not the whole machine. Winner, Ducane 7HP14F. This one comes down to durability. While the Payne has a slightly better efficiency rating, the Ducane wins because of the Omniguard cabinet. In the real world, a louvered steel coil guard is the difference between a system that lasts 15 years and one that loses efficiency after a single storm or stray rock. You're getting American-made Lennox engineering with a much tougher build for virtually the same price. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com.